Yo, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Silva, and today I'm going to be breaking down a deal that demonstrates the power of creative finance. So we just got here to the title company, getting ready to close on a property that we sold for $150,000. Now, this is a bit of a unicorn type of deal. However, these deals are everywhere. I was given a mobile home with land as a down payment for another property I was selling. And I'm going to show you exactly how I turned this mobile home into $150,000. So let's break it down. I was selling a property on owner finance, and I was asking for $75,000 as a down payment. Now, when I talked to the people, they let me know that they only had $35,000 available as a down payment. However, they really loved the house. So I dug a little deeper, and like I always say, if you ask the right questions, you will get the answers you need in order to structure a deal. Because I asked the right questions, I then learned that they had another property they were thinking about selling to come up with the difference of the down payment required. Now, understanding that they needed to move into the house as soon as possible because the husband actually worked on that side of town allowed me to create urgency and let them know I can take the mobile home as a trade. Now, this is the power of understanding somebody's motivation. When you understand the motivation, you're able to create urgency. And urgency leads to people making decisions. Here's where patience is key. Instead of selling it right away, I knew the location of where the property was located was going to require a specific buyer. This is where I put minor repairs into the property, and I ended up listing the property on the market for $170,000. Throughout the time, I slowly decreased the price all the way down to $159,000. And 10 months later, I received an offer for $150,000 cash. This deal shows how important it is to ask the right questions so you can dive into the motivation to negotiate the best deal. If you're finding value here, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what your favorite takeaway was from this video. Let's grow, baby!